Why refill the air conditioning drain line with water after cleaning to restore the trap and protect system airflow and drainage? When you clean the condensate drain line, remove all debris and biofilm, then pour water back slowly to re-establish the trap, because the trap blocks air from entering the drain system and allows proper gravity drainage. Use a clean funnel or a measured container and pour 1 gallon to 2 gallons slowly into the access tee until you can see water exiting at the outdoor drain or condensate pump basin to confirm the trap is set. If your system uses a trap with a removable plug, make sure the plug is clean and seated before refilling to avoid a leak path and to ensure the refill water stays in the trap. For high humidity areas, consider adding a half cup of white vinegar per refill every few months to discourage bacterial growth without harming common plastics. Avoid bleach as it can corrode some components. When pouring, keep the system off and avoid pressurizing the drain with air because that can force sludge further down and disturb seals. Gravity refill is both safer and more effective. Finally, check for proper flow by observing continuous draining and listening for steady discharge, which confirms the trap is working and system airflow is not being compromised. Common mistakes include pouring too fast, which can force blockages deeper and create siphoning issues, so always pour slowly and watch for steady outflow. A second issue is neglecting to inspect the access tee and trap seating, which can allow air to bypass the trap. Inspect and reseat or replace worn components as needed. Third is using harsh chemicals to clean the line that can degrade plastic and rubber parts, so prefer mechanical cleaning and mild vinegar for maintenance and replace damaged sections when corrosion or cracks are found. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors by project type and geographic area, and we provide community discussion boards where users share experiences and ask practical questions about drain system operation. We connect contractors with new leads and let both homeowners and professionals join conversations so we can all learn best practices and troubleshoot common issues together.